Hello, how are you? Many people have been drinking water with baking soda to lose weight. Some drink plain water with baking soda. Others drink water with baking soda and apple cider vinegar, and some people drink water with baking soda and lemon juice. I'm going to tell you what's actually right about this. Stay until the end because you won't want to miss it. First of all, if you're new here, welcome. Take a moment to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I post new videos every day and you're going to love them. Baking soda is that product everyone uses for everything at home. Some people use it for cleaning, some use it to get rid of bad smells in the fridge, some people even use it to whiten their teeth. But you should check with your dentist about that because it can be abrasive, and personally, I don't recommend it. But if your dentist recommends it, go ahead. Just always consult with them first. Now there's this trend of drinking water with baking soda to lose weight. Let's talk more about whether this will actually help you lose weight. This theory of starting to use baking soda in a drink to help with weight loss comes from the idea that a more alkaline body will be better at fighting diseases, infections, improving your overall health, and making the weight loss process easier. And we know that baking soda is an extremely alkaline substance. And we know that lemon, when digested in our body, even though its natural pH is acidic, during the digestion process, it turns into an alkaline pH. And that's why people combine the two. And some add apple cider vinegar because of its weight loss properties regarding the reduction of insulin resistance, burning of abdominal fat. So I have a video here on the channel talking more about whether apple cider vinegar helps with weight loss, how to take it in the best way. I'll leave it down here for you. I have a video talking about lemon water and alkaline water. These are really good videos, so if you want to know more about this, I'll leave them down below in the description. The video title is right here with an arrow. Just click there and a tab will open where I'll have all these videos for you. But anyway, getting back to the point, since baking soda is a naturally alkaline substance, people decide to drink water with baking soda to alkalize their bodies. But will this actually work? One of the things people notice when they take baking soda is that it will make you burp. Because when you mix baking soda in water, it forms those bubbles, and when you drink it, as soon as it comes into contact with gastric juice, it releases some carbon dioxide, which makes you burp. This pushes the food down a bit and can make digestion easier for some people. So, many people who have heartburn or acid reflux think that it will help improve the gastric contents because it will make them more alkaline, more basic. They believe that drinking water with baking soda can help in this regard. So, regarding these uses of baking soda for weight loss, I've already told you that it can help with that feeling of gastric fullness because it will make you burp, giving you the sensation that the food is moving down, passing from the stomach to the intestine. So, for some people, it can slightly reduce that feeling of a very full stomach and even bloating. On one hand, it can help you in that sense, but on the other hand, using it like this doesn't mean you're going to lose weight because the food leaving your stomach won't make it burn more easily or increase your metabolism. It doesn't have any kind of thermogenic effect, and that's a very important point. No study has found it to be thermogenic, meaning it won't speed up your metabolism or lead to faster weight loss. So that's the first point. Second, many individuals drink water with baking soda to alleviate stomach acidity, particularly for people who experience conditions such as acid reflux or gastritis. It really is very alkaline and will change the pH at that moment, but what ends up happening is what we call a buffering effect. Since it makes the pH very alkaline in an environment that is normally acidic, it sends a signal to your brain to secrete more acid there. So it might actually trigger a mechanism for you to secrete even more acid in that environment, which may not be ideal for you. Another very important detail regarding baking soda is that we need to pay attention to its name. It's baking soda. And since it contains sodium, it can increase fluid retention, it can worsen blood pressure, especially for people who are more sensitive. We need to avoid excessive sodium consumption. And even foods that we normally think don't have it, like some sweeteners and, for example, baking soda, which people usually don't pay attention to. So be careful with excessive consumption of it, because it can also cause an excess of sodium in your body. An interesting detail is that many people who start drinking water with baking soda in the morning on an empty stomach soon feel the urge to go to the bathroom, to have a bowel movement, and feel less hungry. This is often due to the intake of liquid in the morning. I have a video here where I talk more about drinking water on an empty stomach, which is highly recommended. I teach you how to do it and discuss the pros and cons. I'll leave it down below in the description for you to help you as well. So it could be that the benefits you've started to notice are related to increased liquid intake and not necessarily to the baking soda itself. This is a very important point. An important detail to mention is that if you start consuming a lot of water with baking soda, some people actually replace regular water with water mixed with baking soda. All the water they drink throughout the day, they keep adding a bit of baking soda to it. This can cause a significant change in your pH, making it too basic, too alkaline, and this can actually cause problems for you, for your health. It can lead to irregular heartbeats and may bring about other more serious issues. So, always remember that the best thing, if you want some kind of naturally more alkaline option to consume, I always say this: the ideal is always natural, because baking soda is an industrialized product. So the best thing would really be for you to choose lemon water, or if you want to mobilize more fat, if you want a more thermogenic metabolic effect, to really improve insulin sensitivity, apple cider vinegar might be a more interesting option for you. Tell me down below then if you drink any kind of beverage to help you reduce bloating, to help you lose weight. Remember that I have a playlist here on the channel with recipes to help reduce bloating, including flavored waters and teas, which are really interesting and that you can add to your daily routine. And they're natural, so they can be a good option. I would love to see your comment. Give the video a like because that really helps me, and share it with anyone who needs it. Let's expand this chain of good because that's what I want with this channel. See you next time. Bye.